Alrighty. Got the stock seat right now. And unboxing Bad Boyz Cycle. Excited. 3-piece seat. Gonna look sick. So this is the seat I was running with. Saddlemen Dominator Extended. I loved it. Fucking great. Broke in nice. But the wife didn't like it. It's got some good padding, but she said this kept hurting her. Well, hoo-ha. I'm guessing it was probably this part here. So. But all in all, heck man, 3,000 miles on it. A couple hours, worked out great. But for her, she didn't like it, so that's why we're switching to the Bad Boyz Cycles. So here we are, side by side. Similar design. It's got that beautiful green stitching. Love it. Nice little back support. Just like the Dominator. But definitely feels a little comfier. Can't wait to try that. And then now looking at for the old lady. Look at the difference in that. I mean, wow. I mean, just the, whew. Definitely a lot comfier up here. Yeah, I think she'll like this one a lot better. It looks like it's actually curved in a little more here too for, yeah, this one here is just, it's something right there. I'm not sure what exactly is right there, but it's, yeah, you don't have that here. So, gonna try it out. All right, there she is. She's on there. Fitment looks really good. Yeah, the other thing is, that was a little loose, but once I put the backrest in, it seems like it locked in a lot better. So we'll see how that pans out here. Other than that, it looks good. Like I said, I'm gonna talk to George, see what he says about that passenger pillion. It's got the gel in the backrest too. Little adjuster down here. And it's got a little pouch, like everybody else says. So, well, let you guys know how it rides here after I get a few thousand miles on her.